my stripe and carry on. And carry on. She got the soul of a warrior, but a tender heart, yeah. Had me hooked on her love right from the start. Pleasure and happiness is never far, no. 'Cause I've been waiting for most of my life to have this love come and bury my stripe and carry on. And carry on. Here she comes like the rays of the sun, she shines. 10 out of 10, Lord, she's no less than a dime. Sets my soul on fire and helps me unwind. She's the right kind of woman to help me feel fine. 'Cause I've been waiting for most of my life to have this love come and bury my stripe and carry on. And carry on, yeah. Oh,
So cute. And some strawberries. I just got back from Lowe's and I picked up a few things that I just wanted to kind of jumpstart the garden a little bit. I love my cute little strawberry garden and I want some more strawberries to kind of refresh it. These looked super healthy and nice and lush. I don't know what variety they are, but they're the ones that I used last time, so I just got more of those. And then they had these pink flamingo strawberries. Look how cute. So I'm really curious. So I picked up Ozark and pink flamingo, and then I picked up some California garlics because I need to start planting those out soon. Some seed potatoes. I grow potatoes in a big container. Last year I think I waited too late, so this year I'm trying to get a head start and get these growing. These are the Yukon Gold potatoes. They're really yummy. This one is called Warsaw Nike. Last year when I planted my clematis, they started growing, but I think I just put them in the ground too late in the season, so they kind of fried up. So I want to actually plant them tomorrow if I have time. This one is called, I don't know how to pronounce that, so I'm not even going to pretend, but they're so beautiful. Like, look how many blooms. I cannot. And this one is really pretty too. This one's called Miss Bateman. So these are the two of them together. Then they had some dahlias. I love a good dahlia. I'm also growing some from seed, but these are the dinner plate mix and I love them. The heads of them are just so massive, like they're even the size of your face. They're beautiful, and there's 3 of them in there. I don't know what color. And then I picked up some Asiatic lilies for around the magnolia tree. They did really good last year, and I want to grow them to cut this year, so I just picked up another batch. There are some still underneath the tree, but I just want a little bit more so I can have some for the tree and also to cut. And then 2 of this dahlia mottos. Look how beautiful. I love the color, the orange and then the yellow inside.
우회전 taking 멋진 바빠 개설레임 바꾸는 사람들 시간만 지나가 자신감 가지고 해와 그냥 천천히 들어가야 해 어쩔 때는
I wasn't really happy with the way that I planted the onions the first time around, so I'm just planting a new batch of these yellow Granix onions. Here's an update on all of the seedlings. I am giving them currently a good drink of water. They all look pretty good for the most part, except for this cell right here. I'm gonna give it another little drink like that. There's probably something with the soil. Oh, the soil looks good. I don't know why. But here's everything. So nothing on the foxglove yet, but I know that takes a little bit of time, but I figured I would have something by now, so I don't know what's going on. I have 2 of my dahlias here. Well, technically 3. So I planted 2 and 2 germinated here, and then 1 germinated there. And I'm getting a true leaf. Nothing in this cell. My snapdragons, I'm using a packet of old seed, so I wasn't expecting a lot of germination. I was just trying to use that seed packet up. Canterbury bells, I think this is actually my first time using the seed, but it's an old packet of seed, so I'm not really shocked. I'll probably go in and seed some more, but we'll see. I have one little one right here, and then some right there. Nothing with the purple echinacea here. Same with the white echinacea. My Jimmy Nardello peppers are just now coming up. Look at that. I cannot believe it. I think I have something over here too. That's a seed. My shishitos are kind of killing it. They're actually really killing it, and I forgot that I planted them, so I started some more shishito. So I'm gonna have shishitos galore. They look amazing so far. This is my red burgundy onion. My eggplants, I have my white knight and my black beauty. The black beauties are the traditional ones, and they're so yummy, but they're coming up really, really well. I did this. I don't know why I did that. I think I was just really excited, but I'm getting like spotty germination because there's just too much soil on top. So they look a little crazy and not as neat as how I normally do my onions. These are the Zabroon shallots. Nothing coming up on my sage yet, but I do have a ton of sage outside, so I might chuck some seeds in the pot. My rosemary looks so good. Everything is coming up. This one is the latest one to come up, but look how cute. I actually love baby rosemary. The seeds are just such a pretty color. This is some stock. So I have, oh, it looks like this cell is actually coming up. So it looks like all but one cell, and I've never used these seeds, and I think I got them last year. But I think stock is really beautiful, so I might start some more of these. But everything is looking pretty good so far. Just a little bummed on some of the germination, like the foxgloves and the Canterbury bells, and then the echinacea, but everything else looks really good. And then the green is just algae growth. It's not detrimental to the plant. What I need to do is just get my fan, actually this fan right here, and get it circulating and get some air going. But other than that, it's all good. 들이밀기만 하지만 그런 거랑 차이가 있어 baby 풍선을 타고 난 날아올라 풍선을 타고 난 날아올라 풍선을 타고 난 날아올라 풍선을 타고 난 날아올라 하고 싶었던 춤이 다 골라 어디든 갈 거야 수박은 바다 그저 그랬던 풍경들이 이제 보니까 아름다운 느린 걸음걸이 음식은 그냥 주전부리 여유 있으면 더 충분히 행복해 미소가 지어져 오늘은 한편의 동화를 썼음해 풍선을 타고 난 날아올라 풍선을 타고 난 날아올라